G'day trendsetters, how are you? I'm going to be planting just a few little onions from a punnet today. I wasn't going to do onions this year, but I had this little space here where I had some green beans or French beans, and I was down the local nursery and I saw these nice little Diggers heirloom onions from Diggers, onion long red Florence. They're a French onion. They're a bit more like a shallot. They're skinny and tall, but it's very simple, and I'll show you. You just make little furrows in your soil and lay out your little onion plants and backfill in the rows, and that's pretty much all there is to it. It's one of the simplest things you'll do. You do need a fairly well prepared soil, and throughout the season, probably every 2 or 3 weeks, I'll give them a good dose of power feed to help them along. Anyhow, let's get cracking. All that difficult, but what we will do is pull them apart down to their individual plants. Now, it doesn't matter all that much. I mean, you want to be a little bit gentle with them, but just prise them apart gently, and you will find, what have I got there? Out of one cell, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants. Now, what we need, I've got my board here, which is my 6-inch board, but I need a row about 1 inch deep. So I'll just dig a nice furrow there, about 1 inch deep, and I'll do 6 inches between rows. So I'll just put another row in there and see how much I've got enough room for another row. But we get our little seedlings, and all we need to do about every 3 inches or so, just lay your onion set in there, like that. You want a good inch in depth in your row, a little bit shallow there. Alright, I've got enough for another. So just break that root up at the bottom there and just tease them apart. We got another 6 or 7 plants, another 3 inches or so apart. And we don't need to stand them up or anything. All we need to do is just fold the soil back over them. They'll stand themselves up, won't be an issue. Water them in well with a bit of power feed, liquid fertiliser. That's it. Just get a nice deep row in there. At the other ones. Oh, there we are, found them. Alright, 1, 2, and away we go again. Just tease that bottom apart. That. Now this, I don't know anything about this onion except for what is written on the label, and that goes something like the Diggers Club Heirloom Selection Onion Long Red Florence. Okay, why this heirloom? Equally as good in a salad or alongside a roast because of its mild, sweet flavour. The elongated red bulbs of this Italian heirloom are decorative and delicious. Full sun and rich soil, compost, manure, mulch well, keep weed free, blah. There you go. All right, I'll just fill these rows back in. Okay, and I'll just do another row. What have I got left? I've got 3 cells left. I've got another, oh, I can get 2 more rows in here. That's a bit better. Right tool for the job. So these will probably be ready somewhere in December. They take a good 6 months. So if you want to grow onions, you need to have a reasonable amount of patience. What else? There's not much really to tell about onions. They're fairly disease free. They can get diseases, but I've never had any issues. Alright, one. I'll get them all in here. That's cool. I think the label says 30 centimetres high, 10 centimetres apart. That's cool. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, if you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments below, and subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.